Pedders' iconic $28 brake, steering and suspension check is a staple in road safety and a vital health check for your vehicle that leaves nothing to chance. Carried out in store by expert technicians, the check covers all essential undercar componentry and comes with a comprehensive, no-obligation written report. Are you concerned your vehicle is showing signs of regular wear and tear? Common indicators of worn suspension include unusual sounds at the front, rear or underside of the vehicle, or uneven tyre wear. Likewise, abnormal pedal feel, a lack of braking power, strange noises or vibrations while braking could be signs your vehicle's brakes need to be replaced. Pedders' $28 brake, steering and suspension check will set your mind at ease. The process includes a shock absorber test to analyse the effectiveness of your vehicle's suspension, an undercar inspection where a trained technician will systematically check all steering and suspension components, and a brake pad and rotor inspection, which is a comprehensive examination of your vehicle's braking system. Upon completion, a Pedders staff member will talk you through the no-obligation written report. Don't compromise on road safety. Ensure your vehicle is driving as it should with a Pedders brake, steering, suspension check. Peace of mind for just $28.